Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this slushy maker, makes slushies, cocktails or beverages. Removable parts for quick and easy cleaning. 2 ice options, chunks or crushed ice. Large blending container with a handle and spout. Automatically starts crushing and mixing. Mixing container capacity it is 1.1 liter. Rated power 30 watt. With a 3 years warranty, and with a stainless steel blade masterfully crushes ice cubes. Well, nice all that, let's open to see what we have inside, and I'm so excited. It is my first time that I'm doing an unboxing testing on that kind of product, and I can't wait to see how it goes. Summer is here and I'm sure you will enjoy this slushy maker, making your cold beverages, cocktails and whatever you want. The manual, of course, included at the box. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. Wow, it looks great. Red color. Now let's see one by one at the unit. We've got the knob, 2 ice option, chunks or crushed ice, it is your choice. The lid, you can just rotate, unlock. The ice chamber inside. Rotate the screw, unlock, remove that, and you can remove the ice chamber. Rotates. Inside we've got this blade, definitely it helps for cutting, for slicing the ice. We've got the mixing container, just rotate, and the stirrer inside, mixing your cocktails, your beverages. It is maximum 1.1 liter, small and large. Okay, nice. Well, nothing else at the unit. The back, we've got the cable, and let's wash everything and start using it. And obviously we need ice cubes. I think that is enough. And we need to have some water inside. Water at this level, small level, for small drink size. And when I'm going to close the lid, it will start automatically. Okay. We can add more ice. Whoa, whoa. And this is, of course, ice with water. You can use that for your soft drinks. Let's say with juice. Nice, it looks great. So cold. It is the right drink for the summer. Or we can do the same process by adding juice, not water. Wait. Now let's add the ice. Nice. Now let's install it again and twist that at this position. And again we need more ice. Okay, smaller cuts, and you can use that for your drinks, cocktails, whatever you want. It is your choice. No worries, it is only ice. And of course, if you want, you can make more ice. Beaker. I have forgot the shaker. You can add the shaker. And let's add this inside. Ice. It is a little bit sensitive at the lid at the top. Okay, there it is. More if we want. You can do so many things, so many combinations, cocktails, whatever you want. You can do a party. Impress your friends with these cocktails. You can change instantly. It helps if you have smaller ice cubes. I think that is too large sometimes, but it can do the job. But with smaller ice cubes, it will go faster. Enjoy cold beverages with alcohol, non-alcohol. You can do cocktails. Tastes so good. Well guys, it cost about 35 euros. If you want to have fun with this slicey maker, definitely, well, just buy it, do your things, call your friends, do a party and enjoy yourself drinking beverages, slices and cocktails. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and down. Share this video. You never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.